wait for it, Near protocol is not an artificial intelligence cryptocurrency. Hear me out. This has been very frustrating. I'm going to walk through, like I have been with all these other AI cryptos, and discuss it. There's 7 different things we go over, and then we'll talk about what it is, what it does. But for 2 weeks, I've been going over artificial intelligence cryptocurrencies because it's a hot category, and there are those that belong there and those that don't belong there. For the most part, I'm finding infrastructure crypto, providing GPUs and nodes, decentralized, computational across NVIDIA, whether it's their enterprise 100s or their 3090, 4090, more of an academia, small business level. That's the infrastructure. Then there are those like ASI, which is Fetch and Ocean and Singularity Net that combined, because they're providing AI agents. They're providing a customer-facing solution. It's kind of the 2 buckets I'm finding things in, but everyone wants to be an AI. So I'm going to make the case that Near protocol is not an artificial intelligence crypto. It's frustrating because everything I read and everything I see tells me that it is, but I can't find anywhere that it is. I feel like someone's just showing me or holding a cat in their hand, and they're smiling and they're saying, it's a dog. And I'm like, no, I think that's a cat. They're like, no, it's a dog. I don't get it. They're holding this Near protocol crypto and they're going, hey, check it out. It's an AI cryptocurrency. I'm like, no, it's a layer 1. They're like, oh, no. It's AI. Why? It's almost as if they being maybe investors, maybe founders, I don't know, woke up one morning and said, you know what? We think in this next bull run that layer 1s might increase 3 to 4 times. But AI might be 10 to 20 times. Therefore, we're an AI. So we downloaded the HTML file, we put AI in it, we uploaded it, and now the website says it, so therefore we are. I don't think that's the case. All right, we're going to walk through Near, and I'm going to tell you why I think that's not the case. Leave comments if you know something I don't know, because I'm feeling like I'm missing something here. I want to see it. I will say, these videos are for informational purposes only. I'm just a big dumb animal. Don't do anything that I do. I actually own Near protocol because I love it as a layer 1. It has a lot of cool features and functionality. Interoperability among chains. I think they call that their rainbow. And then I think they have, they call it Nightshade, which is supposed to speed up the scalability. A great layer 1. It's in the layer 1 category. Oh, I should have said this is crypto for the rest of us. I provide tooltip or coin analysis, which is what I'm doing for the next 2 weeks, just on AI coins in particular. I do it 6 days a week, and I exclude Sundays. So I started this because of all the different coins you see on CoinMarketCap. The top categories are AI, gaming, real-world assets. I love AI and real-world assets. They're all interesting, but okay, AI. So everyone wants to be an AI. You click, and here you go. Top AI. Near is at the top. I've gone over some others. You can look at my videos. I do 1 per video. Now I'm doing Near. So let's jump into Near. But before we do, you'll see that it is, maybe about number 10 or so in the list of top layer 1 tokens. The way they categorize these, if you haven't seen my videos before, is they do it by market cap. However, it's not fully diluted market cap. It's just their circulating coins times their current price. I prefer to compare everyone by fully diluted, but that's my opinion. Okay, top layer 1, I believe they are. Again, full transparency, I own it, but for that reason, not because I think it's AI, I don't. You jump into Near protocol on CoinMarketCap. Just real quick, 1 billion coins out, 1.2 billion total coins, but 1.1. Almost everything's in circulation. You can get it on exchanges like Coinbase. I think that's great because I think that's an easy way to bring the coin to people who are just not as tech savvy. All right, so we're going to go over the 7 different things. We're going to talk about the crypto, the company, founders, management, investors. We'll do that pretty quick. The token, pricing, if we can find it, tokenomics, I should say. Then we'll talk about competitors, whether or not this is really AI, and what are my financial projections for it. If you go down Near protocol on CoinMarketCap or use CoinGecko, whatever you prefer, they have an excellent description. Sometimes they don't. But here, Near protocol is a layer 1 blockchain. It was designed as a community-run cloud computing platform that eliminates some of the limitations that have been bogging competing blockchains. All right. They talk about other blockchains having low transaction speeds, low throughput, poor interoperability, and they go on and on. Okay, so we know what it is. It's a layer 1, even though it seems to be touted as AI. Who are the founders? Two different individuals. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. I'll just say Ilya. And from what I saw, I've seen articles about him. He's brilliant. He spent time at Google. And then we have Alexander, who was actually at Microsoft. And from what I've seen, both of those are brilliant. And they actually have a YouTube channel where they've got some good videos. And they do some whiteboarding and they talk things out. I watched some videos. I thought it was great. These guys obviously know what they're doing. All right. What about, if you look at DeFi Llama, you just go down here to their under raises overview, type in their name, and they've done 2 fundraisers. And the venture capital firms and investor groups, including Tiger Global, Republic Capital, Hashed, FTX Ventures, and Dragonfly. And they talk about those in 2 different articles that I found, but there they are. So let's dig into their tokenomics here. If you go to token unlocks, look up near protocol, they have it. Like I said, it looks like they're showing everything or close to everything is unlocked. You can see all the different categories that they're in. I like to look at things like what are the actual categories? Community grants, 172 million of 1.2 billion. Small and large backers, rewards, core contributors. Usually I would believe that would be founders. The community sale, early ecosystem, operational grants, foundation endowment. Okay. Small and large backers, 237 million. So that's about of 1.2 billion. It's like 1/6, 1/5, 1/6. Community grants, they had core contributors, early ecosystem. Okay, you look at today, because of the fact that over time, most of this has already come out. And if you just move your mouse forward, you see what numbers are changing. Operation grants, core contributors, that's not changing much. Community grants, not changing much. And rewards. Okay. Full-blown system, up and running. Great. Now we've gone over the founders, the investors, the tokenomics, whatnot. Let's look at the company itself. Here's the Near website. I went in and scrolled down, and you can read. And to me, let's read exactly what it says. Near is the chain abstraction stack, empowering builders to create apps that scale to billions of users across all blockchains. Okay, that's awesome. And they talk about these teams that they work with in one way or another. There's a better way to build. Let's look. Okay, developer owned. Today, developers access web services through centralized providers in exchange for control of their data and assets. So you use a centralized provider to create your applications, host your projects, and they essentially have ownership of that, or at least they've got control of your data and assets. They can turn you on, they can turn you off, whatever it may be. Therefore, Web3 services are public open source, and you alone hold the keys to your data. Makes perfect sense, right? That's Web3. Decentralized, you own it, not someone else. Application hosting with zero setup, fewer costs, less headaches. Great. Development environments, fully hosted environments, and it's done quickly. That makes perfect sense. They talk about Web3 development. This is what they're built for. Build great applications without the hassle of deciding between platforms. And I can go on and on. But what you're not hearing me say is anything about AI. Greater discoverability, easier onboarding. Fantastic. Onboard people in seconds. No crypto required. 1,900 developers, 21,459 OSS components, and 297 applications. Learn, connect, collaborate. It goes on and on. Nothing about AI. You may notice a little AI button at the top. All right, let's click it. We see their platform, their development, discover, ecosystem, and someone put this little button. Oh, user-owned AI. The intersection of AI and Web3 is near. Okay, great play on words. AI Web3 stack, bringing AI and Web3 together to enable a user-owned internet that guarantees privacy and ownership of data assets where everyone can be a builder. Okay. AI. Are you an AI early stage founder? Click here. You want a partner? Are you an AI researcher? You want to learn more about user-owned AI? Okay, I'm not getting it. I actually watched a video. I believe it was one of the founders. I could be wrong, but he was talking about user agents in AI. Great. I'm all into user agents. That's what ASI is doing. Fantastic. That makes sense. I think AI is going to take off with user agents. I don't see user agents anywhere on their site. I don't understand. Their platform, their layer one, and their development environment and the Web3 services that they provide are generic. They can be used for anything. So again, sorry if you're getting upset, but I don't see AI on here. I don't see why they're AI specific. So I took a look at their, where is it here? Their white paper. The white paper is huge. So I thought, after reading some of it, I don't want to do this. So I put it in a chat GPT and I said, tell me what this is about. Here's what they said. It summarized the white paper. I'll just read this part of it briefly. It says it describes the NEAR protocol, decentralized application platform, aimed at changing system design, application building, web operation, emphasizes the creation of community-run cloud, offers developers a platform to build applications, secure high-value assets with improved performance. It goes on and on. You can read the rest. Nothing in there says artificial intelligence. Check this out. Grayscale came out with a fund. What kind of fund? Well, they have many. Decentralized AI fund. Great. What's in it? I don't understand. NEAR protocol, 31.87%. Filecoin? Render. Okay. LivePeer, BitTensor. NEAR protocol, 32% of your decentralized AI fund. Not ASI, not the combination of Fetch and Singularity and Ocean. They're creating agents. They're going after artificial general intelligence. They're making agents. They're not in the decentralized AI. I would think that you would have AI application companies and the back-end infrastructure companies. I don't see where NEAR fits. All right, tell me I'm wrong. So the founders, the investors, these big funds are telling me that this is an AI company. I don't see it. I pull the curtain back. I don't get it. Maybe generally speaking. Okay, so let's talk about actually what the projections would be for this. Well, here it is at $6 at the time I'm filming this. Again, full transparency, I own some because I think it's a great layer one, not because I think it's AI. What do I think about AI? I think it's going to 10x, and I think some might 20x. What do I think about layer one? 3 to 4x. I mean, in all honesty, if I got 3 times my Solana, I sold Solana, I bought it back. If I got 3 times the current Solana price, I'd be ecstatic. If I got 3 times my NEAR price, 3 to 4 times, what's that? 3 times, $18 to $24? Sorry, that's all I can peg it at. I don't think it should be in the AI categories. And it's sitting at the very top. Why? Because someone went to their website and put a piece of code at the top that says NEAR AI? I'm missing something. In my opinion, if they really have AI solutions or they've got some kind of architecture, whatever it is, I think they need to put it on their site and make it clearer. Maybe that's coming. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Let's make generational wealth together with crypto. And again, my projection, 3 to 4 times. So that's from now, $18 to $24. And I don't think it's an AI coin. Prove me wrong. Have a great day.